And now a proper introduction to this video. It is right now Sunday, December 3rd, 2023. The approximate time is 11:30 p.m. And as you can see, Montreal is in the significant snowfall storm. It is the first major snowstorm of the season, of the 2023-2024 season. And Montreal is expected in between 20 and 30 centimeters of snow to fall from today into tomorrow. As you can see, about, I'd say 10 to 15 centimeters has already fallen. And it just keeps coming down and down and down. Now, it is very slick out. I already almost fell a couple of times. But, and there's not many cars on the road, which is good. But tomorrow morning, they're saying expect significant delays. As the storm is supposed to continue throughout tomorrow and into tomorrow night. It is supposed to end around 11 p.m. The weather networks that I listen to and watch, that's what they're predicting. And I have not seen one snowplow on the streets yet, or even a sidewalk plow. And as you can see, all this snow here was previously plowed. But as you can see, there's still already a significant amount of snow that has built up on the street. And again, here, a little clip of how much snow has built up. And that was plowed not too long ago. And here it's always constant traffic of buses. The 58 passes here very frequently. And walking on the street because it's a little bit easier to walk on instead of the sidewalk, because the sidewalk is bad. And I unfortunately don't have boots. I'm wearing some Nike high tops right now. Perfect foot weather for a snowstorm. You get no grip with these shoes. It's not even funny. As you can see, you got some beautiful Christmas lights set up here on Central Street and near Bishop Power here in the La Salle borough of Montreal, Quebec, Canada. I mean, just look at that. That's my footprint right there. That's how much snow has built up already. As you can see, beautiful Christmas lights here. And I saw last night when I was on Atwater Avenue that the police had a police checkpoint set up heading north and heading south to see if people had their winter tires on, as the winter tire deadline was just 2 days ago. And now we already have this significant snowfall. Some more Christmas lights set up here. Got a shot here of this snowstorm here through the light. That's what it looks like way in the distance. Alright, I'm going to get up extra early tomorrow morning to film some more content of this major snowstorm that's hitting Montreal. And yeah, so I will be combining this video with all kinds of other videos sometime tomorrow or even Tuesday. And have a good night.